I'm going to make this real simple and clear for you. Pay it or go to jail. Your option.
Good. Go to jail.
All right.
You ain't gonna disrespect me. What do I owe?
$35.05.
On June 16, 2023, Tampa International Airport Authority police responded to a theft of services complaint at a restaurant inside the airside terminal.
Don't touch me ever again. Here. Don't you ever touch me again in your life. Yeah, capiche?
Normally do. Encourage everybody to please make sure you
You better have that camera on.
It is.
Yeah, don't you ever f***ing push me in your life. Don't you ever touch me in your life. I don't give a f*** who you are. Capiche? You're a f***ing asshole. You don't touch me. You're gonna stand right there and I'm gonna video you.
Okay.
No, f*** you. I don't give a f*** who you are.
Lower
You
your
little
voice,
chump
sir.
ass motherfucking.
Yes.
All right, sir, you owe $35.05 at Ducky's.
Under Florida statutes, Section 800, 12.015, obtaining food or services with intent to avoid payment constitutes theft of services.
This young lady said you just paid. You just ate there and didn't pay your tab.
No, I don't know.
Okay,
what you're talking
sir, okay. This young lady just said you ordered $35.05 worth of food. I'm going to make this real simple and clear for you. Pay it or go to jail. Your option.
about. Good. Go to jail.
All right.
The subject's statement, "good, go to jail," is legally significant. It removed all ambiguity about intent to avoid payment, crystallizing probable cause for arrest.
Patrol 136, can you send me another unit? He's refusing to pay and says he wants to go to jail.
The server's first-hand account provided the articulable, reasonable suspicion required under Terry v. Ohio to justify an investigative detention.
I did.
I'm at gate 9, Lieutenant. You stay right there. You want to go to jail?
Don't touch me.
No. All right.
This time, verify your United app. It's ready to go. If you want to make any purchases on board, United has on contact free.
Stay there. I'm not going to tell you again.
You ain't gonna disrespect me. What do I owe?
$35.05.
Don't touch me ever again. Here.
Probable cause is evaluated at the moment of the officer's detention decision, not based on facts that emerge afterward. The subject's subsequent payment of the tab does not retroactively eliminate the probable cause that existed at the moment of contact.
Don't you ever touch me again in your life. Yeah, capiche?
Normally do. Encourage everybody to please make sure you
You better have that camera on.
It is.
Yeah, don't you ever f***ing push me in your life. Hell no. Don't you ever touch me in your life. I don't give a f*** who you are. Capiche? Oh, hell no. Hell.
The more bags we can place on their narrow side, the more bags we can.
What's your name, Josh?
While we are looking at check
When my boss is coming, you can talk to him.
I don't give a f***. You're a f***ing asshole. You don't touch me. Ever.
Bring him the receipts.
Okay.
He knows.
front of you, the more space.
I don't even need this, so I'm just going to give him.
That's fine.
So that way you see it.
All right.
Okay?
No. Nope. You're gonna stand right there and I'm gonna video you.
Okay.
No, f*** you. I don't give a f*** who you are.
Lower
You
your
little
voice,
chump
sir.
ass motherfucking You heard what I said, right?
Shut up!
Gayate, Jotomaricon.
Hey.
No.
That's enough. That's
No,
enough.
bro. No. You disrespected me. Nope. You.
11136. Can you hurry up? He's going to go to jail.
I ain't going to jail. Get here.
Give me a second.
Get here. Goodbye.
Okay.
Boarding followed by our group numbers. Our mileage plus 11.
Calm yourself. Relax.
Hey, man.
Yeah.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Sir, you're creating a disturbance. You didn't pay a duck.
Board flight 5. 759 Newark, dated
The subject's use of profanity directed at officers does not constitute a criminal offense. City of Houston v. Hill established that the First Amendment protects a wide range of verbal criticism of law enforcement. Officers are held to a higher threshold of restraint than ordinary citizens when facing verbal provocation. However, First Amendment protection does not extend to conduct that independently disturbs public order. Florida Statutes, Section 877.03, requires conduct that disrupts the peace or tends to provoke a breach of the peace in a public place. A crowded airport terminal is unambiguously a public place under Florida law.
Bro, you gotta throw me like this?
I'm gonna lay you down right here so you can relax. Relax.
I didn't do anything
I
wrong.
understand. Stay on your side right there, partner.
No, I do nothing. I just paid. And now
I
you're
know,
gonna
but you
treat me
created
like...
this disturbance. You're drunk and disorderly, sir.
I ain't doing nothing, man.
All right. Relax, relax.
Look,
active duty military.
can I just go?
Service, you're welcome.
Well, we're past that now, sir. If you wouldn't have created the disturbance, I'd have walked away, but you did,
All
buddy.
right.
You disrupted these people's day and corrupted public morals.
Hey, man,
It'll be in the report.
can I just go now?
Madam Trump,
Stand up for me.
I'm so sorry you were treated.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Well, by the look of your wrist, it appears that you did do something wrong.
Thanks, bro.
And he tried to walk away without paying, tried to get upside, sat him down.
I didn't try to walk away from nobody, bro.
Oh, thank you, sir. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Thank you. Hold it. Hold it.
Can I just go home, please?
That's going to be a negative, sir.
Come on, man. Don't do me like this. Please, I'm sorry. I'll go out of the airport. I'm sorry.
What are you going on? Yeah, you are.
Thanks, you guys.
No problem.
Come on, man. I'm sorry. Just talk to me, please.
You have the right to remain silent. Use it.
What did I do?
Disorderly and talk, sir.
Good.
Disorderly and talks and resist with the help.
The ground control technique applied here is evaluated under Graham versus Connor, which establishes 3 factors: the severity of the crime at issue, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting. The underlying offenses are misdemeanor level. No weapon threat was present. However, active physical resistance in a congested public terminal shifts the proportionality calculus. No strikes were thrown, no weapons were deployed. The technique served to contain, not to punish. Under the Graham standard, the force used falls within a defensible range. One officer stated, "You have a right to remain silent, use it." This does not constitute a complete Miranda warning. Miranda v. Arizona requires 4 elements: the right to silence, notification that statements may be used in court, the right to an attorney, and the right to appointed counsel if unable to afford one. No substantive interrogation followed on camera, which limits but does not eliminate the procedural deficiency. Any statement obtained from the subject prior to a complete advisement would face suppression under Miranda. The search conducted prior to placing the subject in the patrol vehicle is constitutionally authorized. Chimel versus California established that a search incident to a lawful arrest requires no additional warrant. The subject's resistance during this search, pulling away and tensing against officer control, satisfies the elements of Florida Statutes Section 843.02, obstruction or resistance of an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty without violence.
I didn't do anything. I paid for whatever.
Civil rights. Making sure everyone knows.
You gonna drive me out here?
No, sir. No. We're only going to do what you allow us to.
Sir.
We're going to treat you with respect, sir. You listen to what we tell you to do, then we'll take care of it. Let me get in front of you. Let's open that door.
I'm leaving.
Yes, you are, sir, with us.
Sir.
Clarified that.
Sir, I'm leaving.
Just watch these stairs. That's the thing. Unless you want to use the. Let me get in front of him just so he don't fall or something.
Can I go home, please?
All right, good. All right.
I'll leave it alone. You let me go home.
Step, 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 step.
Can you stop pushing on me?
Can you crank my vehicle up for me?
Stop pushing on me, please.
1 second, sir. Sir, I gotta search you. Just please remain silent for right now.
Yeah.
Listen to my instruction. Listen to my instructions, please.
All I want to do is go home.
Listen. You're not going home right now. You're under arrest. I have to search you. All right, give me a second.
Get off.
Sir, just relax. Stop. Please. Come on. Sir, stop.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Sir, just relax. Calm down.
Get off.
Don't pull away from me, dude. Okay?
Oh, yeah, she's
Just relax.
Can we talk first?
Spread your legs for me, sir. Please. Spread your legs for me, please, sir.
Thank you. I didn't do anything wrong.
I got you. We're going to explain all that stuff to you in a second. Just give us a few minutes.
Got no reason to do this.
Got it.
I did not do anything. I will leave. Please.
I'll tell you, sir. Pull his pants down. All right. 1 second. Let me go on this side. No chains.
Look, sir. Can I just go home, please?
Why? Just relax.
Why you keep grabbing me?
Well, this
Where you are, man?
This is his first time grabbing. He just got here.
Yeah.
He's searching you, buddy.
I didn't do anything wrong.
You gotta be searched before you go in your car. 1 second.
I didn't do anything wrong.
Stay still, guy.
Bro.
That's good.
I got you.
You're good.
Watch your nose. There we go. What's your last name, sir?
Bro.
What's your last name?
Can I just go home?
Sir, can you just have a seat, please? We're going to talk about it in a second. But first, watch your head, please.
I didn't do anything.
That's good.
Can you scoot back for me? Scoot back. Sit
Go ahead, go inside.
back. I got to check your shoes as well, so sit back. Scoot back for me.
Sure.
Scoot. Push back. There you go. All right, sir, please spin around for me. There you go.
Put your feet this way, put your body this way. There you go.
There you go. Just like that. I got this.
I'm getting arrested for what?
I'm going to tell you all in a second. Let me get you situated.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Sir, can I just go home?
Give us 1 second. I'll sort it out. Let me get the AC going for you, sir.
No, you're not going home. You're going to jail.
Jail for what?
I believe for theft of services. I don't know. What else? I guess you didn't pay your bill.
Yeah.
That's what your charge is.
Yeah. I didn't go theft for nothing.
A weapon's called
163.
You asked me what you're going to jail for, and that's what I'm just telling you. Okay?
146, I have a prisoner.
What do you got?
Already got it.
Primary Officer B-, correct statutory application, no weapons deployed. However, a disputed early physical contact that the camera angle does not resolve appears to have ignited escalation that may have been avoidable. Miranda advisement was procedurally deficient. Secondary Officer B+, consistent de-escalation language, proactive duty of care positioning during transport, and professional composure throughout. Subject C+, profane speech was constitutionally protected. The charges did not arise from language. They arose from sustained disruptive conduct and physical resistance during a lawful search. Both charges were of the subject's own making. Department B, adequate procedural training reflected in the arrest, with identifiable gaps in rights, advisement, compliance that warrant reinforcement. The key takeaway from this encounter is the distinction between protected speech and actionable conduct. Officers must recognize that profanity and verbal hostility do not satisfy disorderly conduct statutes. The conduct element, sustained physical disruption in a public space, is what makes the charge legally defensible here. For the public, constitutional rights are tools, not shields against the consequences of one's own conduct. Silence, compliance, and the courtroom are consistently more effective remedies than confrontation. And for both parties, unnecessary physical contact at the outset of a tense encounter remains one of the most preventable triggers of escalation in law enforcement interactions. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on police court interactions.